Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from videos using Davinci Resolve. So here, I've already added videos with watermark and on it. What you need to do is click on this color options at the bottom. And now go to the Windows menu, this one with the eclipse shape. And now make sure that you choose this power window options. Now you can just select the masking, the shape of the masking. I'm going to try to use this rectangle one. Here you can adjust the size. Sorry, let's try it again. Okay, you can just put the masking in here. Now go to the tracking in here and choose to track this one. You can just wait until the tracking process is finished. And now go to effects here and then click on the search column and find the removal options. This one, object removal. Click on it and then just drag it here. Now you can just click on the scene analysis and just wait. And if you see there's green area around the watermark, you can just click on this build clean palette and now click on show clean palette and you'll see this result. So that's pretty much all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.